Assalamu alaikum friends. So today I am gonna show you how to extract the data from the database using PHP, and I will be using prepare statement for this, and we will be doing this in PDO. So for example I have this database which have the table of registration, and there is something, and I want to extract this column by using roll number, for example like this. So select everything from registration session where roll number equals 18p0121, and we will get this error. So I have given this row. Now let's do this in PHP. So let's start, and now first of all PHP starting tag, and I have a username of username. I have set a username of root, and password equals password field is none because I have not set a password. So I have a try block of, these are built-in commands, so don't worry about that. And MySQL, so I am using localhost. If you are using any IP, then you insert IP here. And my DB name is newtech. So this is my database name, and this is username and password, which is empty. Now connection is built. Now connection set attribute of PDO and ER mode PDO and ER mode exception. Now this is set. Now let's create a query. So this connection is set now, and here add catch block of PDO exception and get this, and print connection failed if I get some error incorrectly. So dot is actually concatenation for a concatenation. I forgot to tell this in my previous lectures. So dot is for concatenation in PHP. Get message. Now connection, everything is set. Now let's prepare a query using connection prepare. So I am using as select everything from registration. The name of the table is registrations, and where roll number equals placeholder. So this is prepare statement to avoid SQL injection. Now we will be replace this placeholder with our input. Now let's execute the query with execute, and roll number equals, I am trying to fetch the roll number which is 18p0121, as we did here, 18p0121, and I want to fetch this whole row. And the important point is that don't forget this rectangular bracket. This is important. you have to insert your variable or your input in this rectangle bracket. So save the result of this query, so it will give me the output. So I am saving by using fetch all function, and this is the syntax, fetch association. So result is present. Now let's print. If you are not aware of print r, so print r is do what, this result is actually our array, and print r do, it will output all the elements inside the array. So print r and the result, which is the array, and let's close our PHP tag, print r. So let's run this and check. This is not working, so let's check this where we get the error. Select everything from registrations where roll number equals 18 P0121, it is fine, execution is fine, and where I get the error, print r is also fine, fetch association is fine, query execution is fine, and query equals prepare, this is also fine. Set attribute, where is the error, man? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's comment out this and try echo hello world. Check this if it is connection error. Hello world is working, and username, password, try block, and connection new PDO, host equal localhost, it is also fine, and DB name is equal to newtek, it is also fine. Then where is the error? Username, password, and connection set attribute PDO ear mode, everything is fine, and still I am getting the error, PDO exception. So let's comment out this again and try it again in this. Oops, so we get another mistake. Okay, what if I use this some spacing inside this? Let's run this again, and here you can see it will not work. Localhost, oh sorry, just get rid of this. Okay, so I get this error now. I was not aware of this, so don't write space in this, just write this. This is very nonsense. What does this mean, don't write spacing in this? Okay, whatever. So as we can see, we do print r and we get the element. As I said that print r will print all the element in the array. So on the first key, this is the key and this is the values. On the 0 key, we have these values, roll number, which is name, Muhammad Amir Khan, and we have successfully fetched the element. So now let's check that how we will be printing this in another method. So let's print this output in some attractive method. So we have seen this print r method, so let's comment out this. Now let's see another method of let we have one row with the for each loop. So as result as variable, so let's echo variable, and this is for concatenation, and we are concatenating the line break statement. So what will it, okay, so as we can see, now we will have output of roll number Amer with the help of for each loop. So in this example we have only one row. So what if we have multiple rows? For multiple rows you will be using another loop which will increment I, and you will use I here. So I will be incrementing, so here I have one row, therefore I write only result of 0. So this is the another method of printing the rows. Now let's move to the third method. So this is also a third method. So result as key, and we will output this in key value. So this is key value method, and in this method we will be output. So now we will mention the column name here, as our first column name is this, and we can extract the value with the help of column name and write line break statement here. So let's check this echo, and our first column name is only roll number. So let's run this and we will get the roll number here. So this is our first column name. If I have other, so let's run other 2 3 4, and second column name was, as you can see, name. Now I will use second column name as name. As third column name was email, and our fourth column name is check it department. So fourth column name is department, and our fifth column name is choose, as you can see here, choose event. So this is our another column name of choose event. Now let's run this, and we have get the same output with this method. The benefit of this method, if you have, for example, multiple element, now with this method you will get all the output without incrementing. As I mentioned that we will be using I, which will increment in this case to fetch all the element, but in this case we will not worry about the I. So if I modify this query, select everything from registration without mentioning anything. So, and let's execute this without any input. So in this method I will get all the element in this. Let's do echo, and here line break, so br. So let's do this line break again and again. Line break 1, line break 2, line break 3, line break 4. So to get some attractive output, so I mentioned that dot is used for concatenation. So let's run this. Now I am fetching all the rows as Amer, Khizr and everything from this. Now you can see the first row, the second row and the third row with the help of this for each associative array. So that's all for today. Inshallah we will meet in another attractive lecture. So let's stop the recording.